So it's the first week of March. Do you know what that is? That's right. It's market update time. I'm going to talk about the real estate market in South Tampa for the month of February. Stick around. Hi, welcome back. My name is Joe Brown. I'm a realtor with Century 21, List with Beggins, located in South Tampa. Thank you so much for being here with me today. As I always say, if you find this information useful, please hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Leave a comment, give it a thumbs up. Most importantly, share it with your friends and family who you think may need this information. Now, what I will say too is you will want to stick around to the end of the traditional market update because I have a couple interesting graphs I want to share with you, okay? But let's talk about what the real estate market did for February. And just as a reminder, I'm only focused on the 5 zip codes of South Tampa. That's 33606, 609, 611, 616, and 629. Those 5 zip codes. So take a look at, and I'll put a graphic up here. Take a look at active listings. So again, we've gone down from 630 to 512 active listings. Take a look at new listings. So how many people put their home on the market in February? And you can see we held steady from 330 to 301. Now, this is going to come back in a little bit, right? So out of the 512 active listings, 301 are new. Now, that's not true because some of the 301 have already sold, believe it or not. So take a look at days on the market. Again, we're holding even to about 57, 58 days. Now, yes, there are stories about homes going on the market and selling that same day or within a few days or within a week. So when we say the average days on market are 58, well, if houses are selling for 7 days, that means other houses are on the market for a couple months, right? That's the way the average works. So about 2 months, it takes a house 2 months to sell. Take a look at the number of sales, right? This is always critical. 242 homes sold. Now I'm going to talk about that in just a second. But from 272 to 242. The average sale price, the median sale price, went from $412,000 to $430,000. And again, you can't put a lot of stock in that because it depends on what types of houses, where the house was it new construction, were there $4 million homes, right? But just overall, out of the 242 sales, the average price was $430,000. And then you can see the ratio between what a house is listed for and what it sells for is at 100%, right? From 99% to 100%. So pretty much people are getting what they ask for in a home. Now, if you've been with me for other market updates, you know one of the key factors I talk about is called the absorption rate. And it's the number of homes on the market divided by the number of homes we sell each month. Well, and that determines whether it's a seller's market, a neutral market, or a buyer's market. So anything 3 months and below is a seller's market, right? There's more demand than there is inventory on homes. When you get to there's 10 months of inventory, 11 months of inventory, it is a buyer's market. There's more homes for sale than there are buyers. So the neutral market is around 5, 6, 7 months on the market. It is, and that's really where we want to be, right? That the number of homes on the market meets the number of buyers. When it's a seller's market like it is now, it drives the price up. What also drives the price up are the low interest rates. Interest rates have crept up over the past few weeks, but they're still very affordable, right? At 2.8, still under 3%. So the mortgage industry, mortgage rates make buying a home attractive right now. So here's where, and I need to say this, right? So I'm going to switch this slide out, put a different slide. I need you to look at the history. So I'm putting up here a 1-year history of listings. What do you see? That's right. The number of listings from last February to current has gone down. The number of listings. So we've had, I made a note here, so last February, over 1,000 homes were on the market. And right now, we're just under 600 homes on the market. And again, this is just South Tampa, right? Let me switch this slide from the number of listings to the number of sales. What do you see? Yes, the number of sales has gone down. And again, a year ago, we had just over 300 homes a month. And right now, you can see 240 homes sell a month. So what's the difference? A year ago, we had just over 3 months inventory on the market. Now, what did you hear me say? We're at 2 months, right? If we're selling them, looking at my paper here, 301 homes actively on the market, or 512 homes actively on the market, and we're selling 240 homes a month. That's just over 2 months of inventory on the market. And in fact, one of the zip codes, and I've talked about 33616 before, they currently have 36 homes on the market, and they're selling 35 homes a month. That's 1 month of inventory. So you expect prices to go up, and that's exactly what's happening in 33616. So it is a very robust, it's a very packed South Tampa market, right? We need inventory. And so if you're sitting at home and people are calling you or you're getting letters, hey, are you interested in selling your house? Yeah, because we need inventory. And I know that's happening to you because I'm part of the problem, right? I do it. I call you. I send you letters. Do you want to list your house? But you know what? I get those letters too. I've been getting text messages on my phone. Hey, we want to buy your house. We get letters. We want to buy your house. So it is all over because we want to increase the inventory because there's a demand, right? There's a demand for inventory. Let me check my notes. So let's take a look. I want to refer back to the sales chart. You see sales are going down. Well, if there's a demand, why do you think sales are going down? So a couple things I think are happening. Number one is people are scared by the price of homes or the condition of homes, right? And remember, the condition and location can be offset by the price. At the right price, anything will sell. And I did a video on my prediction for the market, the real estate market for this year. And one of the things I said is you will see more homes expire. But people are going to list their homes to sell, but they're going to overprice the home because they think, oh, people will pay anything. I can get $500,000 for my home. But the market may not support it. And what I mean by that, when I say the market won't support it, means people won't pay that money for your house. And so the listing expires. I had a situation this week where somebody wanted me to sell their home for a certain price. And I said, you can't do it. It's $100,000 more than it's worth. I'm not going to do that. my job is not to list your home. My job is to sell your home, right? And so to sell your home, it has to be appropriately priced. So homes that are appropriately priced, in good condition, they will sell, right? So I want to be your trusted real estate advisor. So if you're thinking about buying a home or selling the home, please reach out to me, ask me questions. Yes, my area that I work is Tampa, St. Petersburg, Pasco County, right? The Central Florida area. However, let's say you're living in Tampa, but you're moving out of state. You're moving to Nevada or California. You're moving out of state. I am part of a referral network, and all of the agents in this network are vetted, right? We are here to take care of you and your needs. So if you happen to live here and you're moving out of state, so number one, you need to sell your home here. Please reach out to me. Let me help you. Number two, if you need a referral to a good agent in another state, I can absolutely make that referral. Reach out to me. See the show notes below has my email address, has other contact information. I am here to help you. And as I always say, I love sharing this information with you because South Tampa, Florida living is awesome.